If you're managing more than one Instagram account and getting frustrated of every single time you actually need to log out and log in again in order for you to switch to another account. Hey guys, this is Evan from DMC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually use the same Instagram app and log into multiple Instagram accounts at the same time so that it allows you to switch over to your other accounts easily. So basically, if you're thinking of how you can actually add multiple Instagram accounts to your Instagram app, it's basically very simple, right? So if you are having the same problems like me, having multiple accounts, you have your own personal Instagram accounts, and at the same time, you're actually managing a few, business Instagram accounts for your clients or for yourself. How can you actually, log in all the account at the same time, right? So this is what you can do. So at your Instagram app, okay, so at your Instagram apps over right here, you can see that in your profile. So in your profile itself, there will be the username on top right there. Okay, so if you can just click under the username, you can see that I already added some of my other accounts right there. But what I can do is that I can add another account again over right here, and I will just click on the add account. And over right here, I'm just going to click on log in, okay, log into the existing account. And I'm going to just type my username and my password from there, okay? So once I'm done with this, I'm going to just go ahead and click on login. Okay, so what you can see from here is that right after that, right, I'll be logged into my another account. So if I just click under my username again, my profile, and you can see the username on top, I can actually just do a drop down and I can just switch back to my personal account from there. Very easy, very quickly. And if I don't want to use my personal account, I want to switch to my business account, I'm going to do the posting, I can just switch across multiple accounts like this. Very quick, very easy. And yeah, so this is what I like to do. So I like to actually just log into my multiple accounts at the same time. So it's very easy for me to manage my Instagram account. So this is my company Instagram account. You can just go ahead and follow my DMC Instagram account called DMC Training Hub. And this is my personal account, is Zavin Gui from that. I'm going to just add another new account from here, right? You will actually have the maximum limit, so you can't add in too many Instagram accounts at the same time. Yeah, so you can basically add up to 5 Instagram accounts at the same time and switch over to one and another without logging out your Instagram accounts. So if you are thinking of having more accounts, on your apps itself, unfortunately you need to log out some other apps and some other user accounts, and then you just add them to the list itself. So you have to decide which will be your main priority for you to manage in your Instagram accounts during your one-time login access. And that's all that I would like to share with you, a small tips on how you can actually link multiple Instagram accounts within the same Instagram apps. And I hope you liked the video. Leave a comment below and help us to like and share. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.